In the next video, I'm going to let you watch over my shoulder as I set up an offer and a listing here on the network. But for this video, I'm just going to show you quickly the process of how to set up the product and the offer. So it takes a few steps. The first step is to go to the product page here, and you just click on a new product. As you can see, I already have a few products listed here. I've set up some demo products for the coming demonstration in the next video. But to set up a new product, you just click on this button, and it's very simple, straightforward. You just fill in the information here. Okay, and once you've done that, you would go to the offers section, and you would click on new offer, and you would enter the title, and you would enter more information on here. And there's two steps for creating your offer. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to go and list an offer here on the Wire Plus network and let you watch over my shoulders.